All right, this is how it's done. Oh my gosh. We're untying this beauty in Newport Beach. How high is he? Who knows? 40 feet up? I don't know. I'm trying to catch it when the head just opens up and so beautiful. So hang with me, hang with me. Head. We're holding and securing that head. That was really important in transport, but now we're opening it up and we're getting there. It's just a lot of ties. So hang on, it's gonna pop any second. Any second. It's opening up. We're backing away so we can get more of the strings cut. And then he's going up high and over. Oh my goodness. Now we're on the other side, trying to get it all untied. Here we go, it started to open up.